So now we come to the movement withdraw and push. Withdraw and push is another movement going forwards and backwards with a very distinct yin and yielding part and a very distinct pushing part. We have two versions of withdraw and push. One is horizontal, done on a horizontal plane and pushing. And then the other is a vertical plane, pushing like so. So first we'll start horizontal. Horizontal starts on the front foot. You open the hands and bring the weight to the back as you bring the hands to the shoulders. So we start opening, bring the hands back as you bring the weight back. When you stop coming back, your hands stop. As you transfer the weight forwards, the elbows will drop and you move forwards. You finish up with the knee over the center of the foot. Not too far, because if you have the knee too far over your foot, all the weight and pressure will move into the knee and will not get transferred into the foot. This can damage the knees. It's not very comfortable. So just make sure when you come forward, not too far with the knee. The same thing applies with the feet. They have to be very comfortable. If you go too far, you can feel all the weight go to the toes. So we just make sure that we're conscious of every little movement that we make. So again, starting off, we open the hands, fingers forward, but sitting back, the hands move back. Then drop the elbows as you move forward to double push. Sit back. Move forwards. Sit back. Move forwards. Elbows wide as you sit back for the breathing. Relaxing the elbows as you move forwards. Wide for the breathing as you sit back. Dropping the elbows as you move forwards. The push is not straight. It's more designed to push a body, so it's not pushing a wall so much, turning the hands inward, or like you have a ball in front of you. And this ball is round, so your hands have to turn inwards. So, again. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Nice big breath in and relax as you breathe out. Nice big breath in and relax as you breathe out. When you've done a few on one side, you can change to the other side. Opening up, breathing in, dropping the elbows, breathing out. This is the horizontal version of withdraw and push. Now moving to the vertical, we're going to start from the back foot with the palms face down. As you move forwards, the hands rise up, similar to raising the chi, the movement raising the chi, but you're moving forward and then dropping them down. As you sit back, the hands move back. As you move forwards, the hands move forwards. Sitting back, the hands come down. So forwards and backwards, we create a kind of wave motion which you will find very pleasant as the sequence of pressures move through your body. Start to feel a wave, usually up the spine, that moves to the hands, and then back down to the feet as your hands move down. When you've done some on one side, you can move to the other side. Hands at the back, on the back leg, face down, moving forwards as you move forwards. Breathing in as the hands come up, breathing out as they go down. Breathing in as they come up, breathing out as they come down. It's the movement withdraw and push. The intention of withdraw and push, the mental exercise we use, for the horizontal is a sensing exercise. As you move your hands through the air, we start to try and fine-tune our awareness and our sensitivity first in the hands. And I'll show you how. As the hands move through the air, you want to be able to feel the movement of air against your hands. So as you sit back, just feel a slight draft as your hands move through the air. Now this means as you come forward, you'll feel on the palms a slight coolness, maybe in between the fingers, back of the hands, as you sit back and move forwards. Even if you have to forget the breathing for a little while, just concentrate on the feeling of the movement of air. Feeling the air move through the hands. And once you've got a strong sensation of that in your hands, you can bring that awareness further down your body, all the way down to the feet. So as you sit back, you can feel the whole of your skin as the movement starts to reveal the feeling of the air around your body. You keep completely relaxed. And aware of every single movement and how your body interacts with the air around you. This increases your sensitivity, which is a great thing to know. Okay. The vertical movement, as we bring the hands up, you want to feel the movement of energy from the back foot all the way up to the fingertips. So as you transfer the weight, there's a kind of lightness that goes along with the energy. As you're moving forwards, the energy rises up to the fingertips. As you sit back, all the energy drops into the back foot, rising up and dropping back. This is an internal awareness. Unlike the movement of air across your hands, this is an internal awareness, and it's an awareness of the pressures moving through your body, which can translate into physical energy. Bringing the hands down, all of the pressures move to the back foot. As the hands rise, energy moves up to the fingertips. forwards and back, forwards and back. This is the vertical intent.